good warm up. What, the can? Alright, this is loud. I was like, wait till you hear it, but I'm not going to do it during the meeting.
Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious!
There we go. Home's real hot. They're on me! Home's still hot! Home is still hot! D2's hot! Oh shit! Oh, I'm still hot! Oh fuck. D side. Did it bounce? Ah! No, it did? Oh, you got me? Okay.
I didn't know where you were because it was just echoing everything. So I wasn't sure where you were.
Well, you were still in though, right?
Huh?
Were you still in?
Yeah, no,
Okay,
you
okay.
saw me running across.
Yeah. I was like, when I saw you going across, I'm like, is he walking off or is he's got a kind of a jog?
Yeah, I wasn't sure where he was. No, because no, I could hear him. It's echoing.
It's so loud you can't tell where I am.
The normal gun, you could distinctly. That thing is
Sure, you want me to hold yours? If you want to squeeze some off, go for it. You just pull the trigger a bunch.
It's so loud. It sounds so fun.
Hit the button. I'm hit. You were shooting at me?
Yes, I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. Go for it.
Yeah, up here? Yeah. I felt the hit and I was just like, no. And I go to touch it and I'm like, ah.
It's all good.
It's the problem with this barrel. Just barely.
You guys have anything out there?
I have one more.
Oh, no, I just wanted to know if you guys want to look around.
No, we'll go ahead. Oh. Just because it's staring me in the face.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, hold it good.
Yeah.
Here, no, just take it. So much for that.